your cover blown. Only talk to me when we're alone. Use me to get you in the zone. Go call your kids on your prepaid phone. I don't really care what the sign says. I'm gonna stare to the sign bends. I'll co-sign on the line cause it's the last time that I'm about to shine heads. I can't sit here but I can't sit there. I'm about to shit on a millionaire with deuces. Like Bruce LaBruce's track while producing. So I went from a cage to a palace, sipping champagne straight out the chalice. Now I'm gonna shine like a Borealis. Like I ML tripping out like Alice. What? I was walking for some time when I came across this sign saying who are you and where are you from? We don't like when visitors come. No trespassing, that's what it says. At least that's what I can read. No trespassing, yeah, my ass.